Welcome to 15150 Southwest. This property is in the heart of an avocado heaven. So if avocado is your thing, come to this property. In this property, it not only has the new charm, but it has the ability also to produce money in the process. This property has 5 acres of land, has a beautiful pool, has everything upgraded to be up to date to 2025. If, once again, you like to get away, this is a beautiful property that has been maintained clean, has been maintained over the ages as a family location, and now they're willingly giving it away to the next family that wants to come and grow, have a place for the dogs to run around, have a place for the kids to run around, and at the exact same time, make money in the process. It is a gorgeous property that I recommend anybody to come and see. Well, now, let's go see it. If you ask me, this property is worth every penny. It has charm, it has beauty, it has style, it has money. You can make money in this property. Again, I encourage all those that might be interested to contact me, Edwin Silie, Realtor with Keller Williams, because this property won't stay in the market for long. As long as the right investor sees it and sees the value of it, it'll be snatched right up. I hope that's you, and I hope I could be a realtor in the process of acquiring this property. Again, this property was preserved by one family for many years, and it is in the middle of a mango trove. How beautiful. So again, I hope you have enjoyed this tour. If I could be of any assistance, make sure you contact me. For the rest of you, thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to this channel as I'm going to continue to bring you more home tours. I'm going to continue to bring you more of what South Florida is really about. And I hope that you can come with me in that journey. And as always, my name is Edwin Silie. God loves you, and so do I. Bye-bye.